Hey everyone, if you've built a Docsify website and now want to host it for free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to host a Docsify website completely free in 2026. First, create a GitHub account. This is where we'll store and host your website files online for free. Next, create a new repository. This repository will hold all your Docsify project files in one place. Now upload your docsify files. Make sure your index HTML and all markdown files are included properly. Go to settings and enable GitHub pages. This is what turns your repository into a live website. Select the main branch as your source. This tells GitHub which version of your files should be published online. After that, GitHub will give you a live link. This is your free website URL that anyone can open from anywhere. Finally, open the link and test your website. Your Docsify site should load properly and be accessible online. So yeah, that's how you host a Docsify website for free using GitHub pages. Follow each step carefully and your site will be live in just a few minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey,